Okay, last thing today, you guys, is this worksheet. The front and back of it is due tomorrow when you guys get to class. So I want to walk you through an example on both slides so you know exactly what I'm expecting. So the top part here is kind of some background on covalent compounds, some of the stuff we learned in our notes earlier. So we're going to start with these dot diagrams. So for each of these, we're going to find the element on the periodic table. So I'm going to look for carbon first. I'm going to do this example here with you guys. The symbol for carbon is C. It's in group 14, so it has 4 valence electrons. And then I'm going to draw the dot diagram. You guys, we've been doing this part of it for like 2 weeks, so you should be so good at this. The new piece is this last column here, and it says the number of bonds the element could form. So if we remember from our notes, we can bond where there is a lone electron. So remember, a lone electron means it doesn't have a partner. So on carbon, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons without a partner. This is where it gets really important to be careful with your drawings. Remember, we're going left, top, right, bottom. Okay, so that's the front side. The back side, first you can see there's a little change here. So CO2 was on here twice. So we're going to change the second one from CO2, go ahead and just cross that off. And we're going to make it CS2, which is carbon and 2 sulfurs. Okay, this is just like the drawings we just did. So our first step is to put our lone element in the middle. So nitrogen is our lone element, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valence electrons. And then we're going to put our other element around it. So I need 3 bromine. I'm going to put these bromine where nitrogen needs another partner. It's okay if you go into the other drawing a little bit, you can kind of stagger them. So now my bromine needs its valence electrons, and it has 7. So I'm going to do those in a different color just so we can see better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now the goal is to connect all of these. We're going to use a circle to show bonding. So we're going to circle any electrons that don't already have a partner. So we've got those 2, the bottom and left, and then the bottom and bottom here. Okay, so again, if I pulled up that nitrogen, the bromines would come with it. Every other electron is left with a partner, and so then we're done. So you're going to do the same process for the next 6 problems. And again, you guys, this is due tomorrow when you come to class.